Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Technology shifts on a production possibilities curve can look sneaky, but this one is fast. Spot which good improves, then track the efficient movement. Better technology for producing good B lets the economy make more good B with the same resources. So the production possibilities frontier shifts outward on the good B side. Now keep the other condition tight. Good land still uses all resources efficiently, producing good A and good B, so the movement must stay on the frontier, not jump inside it. That means we need to move from one efficient point to another on the expanded curve, and the matching choice is point M to point. Well done! Scan now. Trap, do not rush past direction changes. Rule, trust the given condition about efficiency and check each move stays on the